up, y'all? It's your boy Logan Martin on Sharp33, and today we are gonna be doing a dye experiment. DIY, do it yourself. Get it, whatever. Here we go.
Well, what we gonna be doing?
Yo, are you slow? Cause I'm making a smoke bomb today.
A DIY, do it yourself.
You're gonna need a doorknob. Oh, wrong one. I meant a ping pong ball, followed by some
Heavy duty aluminum foil.
Boulder. Give a shout out to my aluminum foil. Holla! First, you're gonna just simply do this. Take some off, you know, the usual. Take like about, let's see. How does that look? That looks about right. Simply place it in the middle and, well, did I tell you? I hurt my finger. Is that blood? Dang, it hurts. Now you're just gonna bring it up like so. Let me just put my phone down and show you how to do it, but. Oh, that's one nice looking ping pong ball. Ooh, let's get a zoom in. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, let's get back to the video. Kind of like fold it up like that. Keep it going. Like so. Oopsie. Now, all you're gonna do after doing that is fold a little bit more, twist this. Now you're just gonna cut this end off right here. Let's go get our pair of scissors. Now with the finished project, let's go outside and test it. Ooh, shadow. Hashtag it's February. Ooh, Wednesday's the 6th. Let's go outside and test this smoke bomb. Snip, snip. Coming for you. Doo-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Dup, 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 doop, dup. Ooh, let's just tighten that a little bit more. Ooh, scarred for life. Now just snip, snip, snip. Ow, ow, ow. There we go. That's that.
Guys, we got a technical difficulty. Or we gonna be savages. There we go, boys.
Finally. Okay, let's go over here and test this out. Now, get your little smoke grenade and come out here. You're gonna light it. Ooh, it feels to work. Oh, there. Oh, dang. Oh my God. Look at that. Let's get a zoom in. Oh my God. There's smoke everywhere. Well, that's what you get. That was another one I did. Thing lit up, that one lit. Why do I smoke?